Now, what will a Vastu guy do if this Jyotish input is not given to him? How will you, as a Vastu expert, even know whether I should pick up a property on the banks of a river or on top of a hill? How do you know which one is better? This is the job of a Jyotish. And a Jyotish must give this input before Vastu job is taken up. This is what I'm trying to emphasize. I think that should be enough. Do I have any more slides for today? No. Thank you very much.
Sir,
Yeah.
you said that we choose according to our horoscope. Then where is free will? What is free will?
Good question. God has given us some amount of free will so that we can create more karmas and come back to this planet. Okay? And believe me, I'm not saying it wrong. Wherever God has given free will to man, and we can see that in a horoscope, in the 4 houses called Upachaya Bhava. Upachaya is the houses of growth. So man wants to grow, na? So God says, how stupid. You according to God, you are not even a speck of dust. So if a speck of dust will become big, how big he will become? Another speck of dust. Huh? See from outside spades, how big are we? So Upachaya is the 3rd house, 6th house, 10th house and 11th house. Any planets in these houses are the problem in your life.
I'll just make 1 or 2 statements. Yeah.
Why? Because this is houses of growth. If your Lord of 7th, marriage, is in 3, 6, 10 or 11, problem. Why? Because your marriage has to grow. That means what will happen to the marriage? After some time you will get bored with this. Next wala chalo, grow. Next wala chalo, grow. Ye kya hai? Right? So that is the free will. Wherever God has given free will to man, we are the mess. Does that answer the problem? Yes. So we really don't take decisions, we actually make mistakes. Free will is the mistake.
Sir,
I know it is a horrible statement, but it is the truth.
Sir,
That you look around the property to other places like temples and around the property. So how far do we look from the property that we are celebrating?
Normally, there is something called boundaries in Vastu. In Vastu, they have boundaries and they have these modules. When you learn Vastu, you know what is the range of the module and all that. So normally the properties we get are small ones. But we say that the boundary of a region is a natural boundary like a river. Then you have artificial boundaries like roads. People have walked on the road. When the public is walking on a road, it becomes a natural boundary. So you have to look for natural boundaries. And there are ancient roads. And these roads people have walked. Wherever people are walking, that is a boundary. If there is no such boundary, you can create a boundary, I think by embedding a copper wire or something. They know, Vastu experts know. Michael Babu will tell us. Am I right? Something you can put some copper, right? Above the ground. Right.
sir, you said the second lord should be seen, say Pisces sign, and Mars is the second lord. So I have to take care according to Ashtak Varga where my kitchen should be.
Exactly.
Special.
Not only kitchen has to be very clean because if your kitchen is your main thing for wealth,
Okay.
you can never have those diamonds you dream of without that.
घर में कई लोग रहते हैं, तो किसका ज्योतिष देखना चाहिए मेन डोर के लिए?
The lady of the family.
लेडी ऑफ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, आपने बोला लग्ना डोर डिसाइड करता है और आपने ये भी बोला चौथा हाउस भी मेन डोर डिसाइड करता है, विच इज करेक्ट?
Correct. तो लग्न का अष्टक वर्ग देख रहे हैं.
ओके.
To decide as to whether the ashtaka varga is agreeing with the graha or not. Sometimes they don't agree, and then we need to have 2 entrances. For example, my house main entrance is from the east, but my flat entrance is from the south. So I have 2 entrances. ठीक है ना?
My entrance is also south.
Shabash. We are all sadis. Syllable and devata. Okay? That is yesterday.
Yeah. But you have the knowledge about that. Actually, when you do meditation, for example, we take Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. When you do that for about 2 lakh or 3 lakh times, when you go to 3 lakh level and above that, when you go meditating on Trikruti, here, and when you go stuck with that, Rudraya, the difference, the second word, whenever it comes, Dra, the Dirghakshar, there we get the intuitions. And why it's only for that? When we go to Narayanaya, the Na and the wherever Dirghakshar will come, there we'll get the intuitions.
Dirgha is the manifestation, according to Shabda Shastra.
Okay.
We have small and we have Laghu and we have Guru syllables, right? A, I, U. Like that. A is Laghu. U, Guru. Guru is manifesting.
Okay.
Only Guru will manifest. Laghu is Purusha. It will not manifest. It is inert. It is observing.
Okay.
It is observing, learning. Whereas Dirgha, Guru is Shakti, Sri. It is manifesting. That is why you are having this experience. You are talking about the Baudayana Rudra mantra, the Sakshari.
Yeah.
Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya.
Yeah.
Om Namo Bhagavate Rudra. Dra is in your 9th house. Check up your 9th house in your horoscope. What planet is that?
Thank you.
Okay. One last question.
Sanjay ji, thank you for giving so much valuable information. Me being an architect, there is always a clash with the client,
Yes, yes.
So it's good that you inform me that have a report of, Jyotisha, and then take it to Vastu and then, start architect consultation. So I think what I want to know is that what I should ask in a report from Jyotisha.
Ask a Jyotisha for a detailed Ashtakavarga report for directions. And particularly, depending upon the client, what is the client asking? If he is asking for home, then ask him for Ashtakavarga for Rashi and Chaturthamsha.
Okay.
That means D1 and D4 chart. If he is asking for some business like factory and all, then Rashi and Dashamsha. And let us say they are building ashram, then Rashi and Vimshamsha, like that. There are details. The Jyotishis, good Jyotishis can easily tell you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sanjay ji, I have a question.
Okay.
Have you studied Modi ji's horoscope
9:30 a.m.
and the location that he's staying, that he stayed, and could you just throw some light about that?
Yeah. That is. I have spoken about Modi ji's horoscope in London more than in India. Because whenever I used to go to, every year I go to London. It is my annual pilgrimage. Devi darshan hota hai wahan par.
So one question, sir.
So there I have spoken. Every year I have systematically told the same story. Nothing has changed. I don't know why you are asking me this question. Every year they will ask, then they'll put the camera. How long will he be in power? मैं तब से बोल रहा हूँ 2014 Chandra Dasha has started. He will come to power in Delhi now. He cannot stay in Ahmedabad. Chandra will bring him to Delhi, to Jamuna. And then he will stay here for 10 years minimum. Let 10 years finish, then you should ask me the question. So 2014 to 2024 he will be. I've been saying this year after year. And this every year they'll ask me the same question. Again I will say the same chart, same this thing. I don't know what has changed. Politics is not my job. In fact, they asked me, okay, he's going to win. Though he was going to lose, they said that some GST and all that, he harega pakka. I said, nahi, he will come to power, dekhna. Aur, acha kitna aayega? I bola 300 plus. He said, you have gone mad, Sanjay. I have not. You'll see. Aayega. Next time what will happen? That is what you should ask me, because that is the Mangal Dasha that is coming. An interesting question. So that I will talk next time. Yeah. कुछ नहीं होगा. लोग बोलेंगे मुकुट पहन लो. मोदी जी बोलेंगे ना. Because honestly, he deserves to have a mukut. What he has done for India is unbelievable. Yeah. We finally got freedom. Finally.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Good afternoon, sir. सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है जो मेरे को बहुत बार एक फील होता है. जैसे मेरा भाई का घर है. He has a southwest and southwest entrance, so he was facing some problems. But
does he have children?
या ही हैज़ अ स्मॉल किड सो बट वो जितने भी घर अभी नया ढूंढने जा रहा है ही हैज़ द सेम प्रॉब्लम इन दोज हाउसेज ऑल्सो.
बोलो राहु का शांति कर देगा और फिर घर ढूंढेगा.
राहु का
शांति.
शांति.
वर्शिप दुर्गा. एक दुर्गा मैया का पूजा करवाइए, वर्शिप दुर्गा, and then go looking for the house, because otherwise whenever he is going to look for the house, the graha who is walking with him is Rahu,
Okay.
and he is finding such houses for him.
Yeah.
वो ग्रह उसका पीछा कर रहा है, वो फंसा है बेचारा.
Thank you, sir.